Hey, we got a really cool recipe we're going to try today. Honeydew jalapeno homemade hot sauce.
And pineapple.
Oh yeah, pineapple. Now look, sometimes it can take me 3-4 hours to get all the flavors just right. So we're going to try this right here today. I've never made it before. Let's get started. Start this out. I've got 2 cups of honeydew melon. Here I've got 1/4 cup of cilantro, 5 diced up jalapenos. I'll put the exact measurements in the description box, but I've got some garlic, about a teaspoon of minced garlic. I've got about 1.5 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon each of Himalayan sea salt, and fresh cracked black pepper. Now you can use lime juice. We like key lime juice. I'm going to put about 1 tablespoon of key lime juice. And then you can use white vinegar. We like this, I'm sorry you can't see it, rice vinegar. Put about 1/2 cup. Alrighty. What I've got here is some Jeremiah cane syrup. Now if you don't have cane syrup, you can use honey. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I'm experimenting. I've never made this recipe before. Then I've got, well, wait, before we get the magic dust. With this fruit, I'm going to add a little bit of this Sazon tropical. Alright, the seasoning in this, give this a great flavor. Now, magic dust. Last year's ghost peppers that I dried up. Now, this is optional. If you want this hot sauce to be mild, don't add this. But I'm going to add about, to start out, that's certainly 1 teaspoon. The last thing I've got here is about 1 cup of chopped pineapple. Now, let me see if I can figure out how to work this fancy thing that my daughter bought me. Look, I just throw meat on the grill. I don't know how to do stuff like this. Got this here. Okay. Let me see if I can figure out how to get this off of here. Oh, not as hard as I thought it would be. Now here's the part of making a new hot sauce that I always like. You try it and you see what else it needs. Holy crap, it's good already. Let me get a second opinion. Tammy, can you come in here? Oh my gosh. Come over here. It's not too hot. You may want it more spice in it, but the flavor is pretty good, I think.
Wow, that's really good.
Does it need anything else?
No, I think it's perfect.
All right.
It's really good. Okay,
so now what I'm going to do is move this to a burner. Heat it up. Let all these flavors marry a little bit more. Now I've got my burner on. Oh, let me get this out so I don't make a major mistake. Just going to pour this sauce in here. Like I say, heat it up. Once it's brought up to a boil, I want to simmer it for 20 minutes, 15 minutes. Simmering, it'll help all those flavors just kind of bind together and just kick it up a little bit more. This sauce has been simmering about 15 minutes. Turn this burner off, let it cool down, all the way down, where it's cool enough where we can bottle it up, and then we'll come back and we'll do the final taste test. Got the taste tester back, got the sauce all bottled up.
Pretty ready.
We got some chips here we're going to try it out of. There's some for you.
Thank you. Sadie.
Here's some for me.
Cheers.
Cheers. Give it a try. I love this.
So good.
Okay.
Delicious.
Seafood for sure. What do you think?
So I think any kind of white meat, definitely, and tacos.
Yep. Chicken, pork.
Yeah. And eggs.
Oh, eggs. Definitely eggs. But how's the heat? Not real hot. If you're a pepperhead, like, you know, you eat raw scorpion peppers or raw reaper peppers, this is going to be like a 2.
Yeah, I was going to say 2 to 3. Yeah.
Now, if jalapenos are hot for you, it's perfect. It's perfect. And made the recipe, you could leave out the magic dust I put in there, right? The dried ghost pepper. And then it would calm down just a little bit more. It's got just a perfect balance. You taste that honeydew.
Yeah.
A little sweet, not a lot. A little spice.
And it has a little bit of a bite.
And I really like the vinegar you selected. What was that? White spice? It's not too tangy.
No.
It's just a perfect balance.
No, it's mild and nice.
If you like this, I hope you'll watch this next hot sauce video I made. I made a homemade pear ghost hot sauce.